take back a U23 gold medal. Jacks Forreст of the USA in the blue, ÖMÜRBEK ASAN UULU of Kyrgyzstan in the red. National colours represented by both. Forreст has pulled out a score. ASAN UULU in trouble. That was brilliant work on the orange ribbon by Jacks Forreст.
Банк жана Каспий KZ жаңы уникалдуу сервис. Эми мой О аркылуу Каспий KZ'ге телефон номер боюнча акча которсо болот. Көз ачып жумгуча комиссиясыз пайдалуу курс менен. Ошондой эле мой О аркылуу Каспий QR менен төлө. Оңой жана тез. Ал эми казакстандыктар Каспий KZ аркылуу эл QR менен Кыргызстандан төлөй алышат. Болгону мой О же Каспий KZ гана керек. Барына ыңгайлуу, үйдөгүдөй. Мой О Кыргызстандын бардык операторлорунун абоненттери үчүн.
Persuaded him to come to theirs under David Taylor. ASAN UULU needing to reply quickly. He's going to get points here. Important to reply quickly with the rate that Forreст can score at. He's so good in parterre, Jacks Forreст. And he's so good at finding ways to get down there too. Excellent rebuttal though from ASAN UULU. He's the younger man by a year, the Kyrgyz wrestler. In super form yesterday, beating Luor, Galip, Avdili and Ojbek, all by technical superiority. He's the U17 world champion from last year. It's a high quality gold medal contest in Novi Sad, and we're seeing that played out. Another 2 points for ASAN UULU. Slipping round the back for the 2-point takedown. Forreст with the greater range of limb and therefore ability to keep a further distance out of harm's way from ASAN UULU and still come in and score points. Forreст is a man who's not only often the man with a height advantage, he knows how to use it. ASAN UULU hopeful and purposeful in trying to use that against the American. Now getting that left leg sewn up, and he's going to work himself round here for the lead, surely. ASAN UULU, not quite. Now we get it, forcing the step out. It's nice rearranging of Forreст gets a leg, looks to drive it up. Right on his thigh, then readjusts and gets himself round the back here. And if he can take this to the floor, points will come. Instead, he might reverse it. So many options for Forreст. This is how difficult he is to fight against. He changes his tack in a swift well. He gets the maximum 4 from that position of standing down to danger. Extra point for the incorrect challenge from ASAN UULU's team. 9-5, that's really reaffirmed Forreст in the lead. And he's been renewed and reinvigorated, ASAN UULU. Longer break than you would otherwise have got. One leg taken here and furiously hunting this down. Now, a leg lace, high leg lace. Never quite comfortable in that. If he can wedge his head in there, then from that high elevated leg lace position, he can turn ASAN UULU inside and out and whichever way he wants. Hasan Ulu replies. This is a terrific gold medal contest. 11-8 now. Forrest maybe conceding more points here. Almost has that arm trap to make the left-handed turn even easier. Another breather at a time, which is going to help both of them. But Hasan Ulu hunting him and matching him every step of the way. Different scoring techniques, but he's a point, only a point adrift. Driving hard for a step-out point here. Now looking to change tack and switch round, but then Forrest is making this awkward trapped arm gut wrench. Scores. Technical quality to go for that trapped arm on multiple occasions of Hasan Ulu. He's so precise in his wrestling. When the heat is on, he's still making sure of his technique, and that was so well executed. Worthy lead now, 12-11. But Forrest with those two big 4-point scores means that a step out point will give him, on criteria, the lead. Gets an ankle pick again, so sharp at going low, and this might be one that sticks. Again, he has to change decision. He's going to get a turnover here for two. Lead back in Jackson Forrest's hands. 1 minute to go. Team USA back in front. Straight into another. But I don't think the referee had quite given the order to go again. Last 60 seconds. Forrest with a bumper of 5 points. Hasan Ulu needing to really go now and dredge up his energy reserves. He's around the gut with one arm, locks it in now with the gable grip, sliding up high. And it's being allowed to develop. Where do these 5 points come from for ÖMÜRBEK Hasan Ulu of Kyrgyzstan? Low again, that's well read. Back onto Hasan Ulu, and he goes round the head, then looking to slip round the back. Defensive position from Forrest. He's just trying to hold on here for all he's worth. U23 world title on the line for these two teenagers. Hasan Ulu hunting and getting his man again down onto the mat. Forrest is in a safe position. Last 6 seconds, he's going to be turned here. Hasan Ulu acquiring 2 points. He needs something else big. And the time will run out on the man from Kyrgyzstan. It's Jackson Forrest's night in Serbia. He wins the U23 world title.